Hi, Wen. How's it going? So in this video, I want to share with you this dash cam recording from a Tesla vehicle. We were approaching an intersection with a red light, and we were about to come to a complete stop. So this incident involves a Tesla and a Hyundai, where the Hyundai was cruising at a fast speed on the shoulder, which is illegal because this is a one lane only. There's no other lane on the right side where you're supposed to get on and turn right. So this lane goes straight and turn right onto the highway. Now, this person may have been in an emergency, I assume, or impatient with waiting in traffic. There was a lot of traffic, but we started hearing scraping or some sort of squeaking noise coming from somewhere, but I couldn't tell at first. Then I see in my mirror this fast speeding vehicle approaching from the right side there. It ended up clipping us mirror to mirror. So the mirror caps hit our mirror caps, and we did have Pimp My EV mirror caps. And I'll show you the fender view in a brief moment here. You can see the rear car in the Kia, those driver and passenger look shocked because he was scraping against the curve and he was speeding down on the right hand side of this lane, which is a one vehicle lane. There's not enough room for two vehicles to drive on this lane. So as the fender camera, the repeater camera records, you can see there's that vehicle approaching. He's literally on the curve, and this is where he clipped our mirror caps. It was a minor clip, but we did hear a noise, like something hit our car. It definitely wasn't rocks. He did clip probably the bottom corner, because his was a sedan. You can see there, we did try to freeze the frame. And with Tesla camera, the problem is if you're at a stationary position and there's a fast moving vehicle, it won't be able to read the license plate most of the time. But fortunately, in this case, it was able to read the rear license plate, not the front license plate, but the rear license plate. And probably thanks to the headlights reflecting it off. So here's another view from our aftermarket dash cam from Blackview. This is 4K. You can see the wider angle. So this does help show you the blind spot, at least when the vehicle is approaching. It's a lot clearer, it's a lot crispier, and it also has a better frame per second reading. And you can see as that vehicle passes, he did slow down. He did brake after clipping us. So he knew he clipped us, and we knew something hit us. But at that point, I couldn't go around the vehicle in front of me. I had other passenger. And this image is from also Blackview from the rear camera facing the cabin. As we see that vehicle approaches, this is where he clipped us right about now. And he's gonna be braking. He knew he clipped us, then he banked right after running that first red light. So he ran that red light right there, and then he ran the second light, which ended up turning green after he turned right. So those are the two lights, one before the railroad crossing, which he did a couple illegal things here. He was driving the shoulder, he clipped us, and then he ran the red light. So really three things, and it's gonna be a hit and run if there were actually damages. So fortunately, we checked the mirror caps later and the fender and didn't really see any damage. I think the mirror caps really protected us from getting any scratches or scrape. And that mirror caps is fully carbon fiber gloss from Pimp My EV. And we'll post all the link as well with the dash cam mirror caps that protected us. And just wanted to share with you all to make sure your dash cam is always on. And if you have aftermarket dash cam, that's even better. And just make sure to pay attention to your surrounding. So in that case, I don't think there was anything we can do to have prevented it. Maybe if I saw him coming, I could have banked a little bit to the left, but the reaction was too slow. He was going way too fast for us to be able to move around. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts is if we should have reported this as a vehicle that was breaking the law. We couldn't report it as a hit and run because we couldn't really prove there was any damages. Anyways, take care and drive safe out there.